Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo and you will click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo app. And then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us.